So guys, this will be a short video. Time machine. Well, let's do this. Where's the button? I built the time machine. Let me hit the button real quick. I think I'm supposed to click these buttons here. Let me see. Okay. Oh my god. I think I went in the I went in the future. Seriously? Whoa. Did anything else change? I don't think anything else changed. The sun didn't change for some reason. I don't know. I think I went back in time. My amazing time machine video. See you guys later. Bye.